How to post video on Instagram, not reel. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different icons. Click on this plus icon given at the bottom middle. With that, your gallery will open up. Now over here, you'll find different options as post, story, reel, and live. Set it to post. Now select the video that you want to upload. Once you select it, click on next. From this page, you are able to add some filters like waves, music, text, and stickers. Once you are done with the editing part, click on this option of next. Now you can add a caption to your video. Likewise, tag people, set audience, add location, likewise customize these advanced settings. Once you customize all these settings, you can click on sure. Now it's in the process to be uploaded. Once it is uploaded, you can head towards your profile and check, and your video will be uploaded as the post. You will be able to find your video in the post section. So this way you can easily post video on Instagram, not reel. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.